How to get the relative path between two absolute paths in Python using Pathlib. In Python 3, I defined two paths using Pathlib, say. How can I get the relative path that leads from origin to destination? In this example, I'd like a function that returns /sgiliath/tower or something equivalent. Ideally, I'd have a function relative_path that always satisfies. Well, ideally there would be an operator, such that destination = origin/destination origin would always be true. Note that path.relative_to is not sufficient in this case, since origin is not a destination's parent. Also, I'm not working with symlinks, so it's safe to assume that there are none if this simplifies the problem. How can relative_path be implemented?
In Python 3.12+, path.relative_to takes a parameter called walk_up which provides exactly this functionality. According to the official documentation for pure path.relative_to, walk_up equals false. When walk_up is false, the default, the path must start with other. When the argument is true, entries may be added to form the relative path. In all other cases, such as the paths referencing different drives, value error is raised. For older Python versions 3.11 and older, os.path.relpath can be used instead. Note that the value returned from os.path.relpath is a string, not a pathlib.path instance.
If you'd like your own Python function to convert an absolute path to a relative path, this assumes that 1. Start_file_path starts with the same root folder as destination_file_path. 2. Types of slashes don't occur interchangeably. 3. You're not using a file system that permits slashes in the file name. Those assumptions may be an advantage or a disadvantage, depending on your use case. Disadvantages. If you're using Pathlib, you'll break that module's API flow in your code by mixing in this function. Limited use cases. Inputs have to be sterile for the file system you're working with. Advantages. Runs 202x faster than at Adam Smith's answer. Tested on Windows 7, 32-bit.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.